folks. Today we're going to do Might Makes It Right, Nature Civilization Kaijudo. So, unleash your power now. The back of this is exactly the same as the water civilization one that we opened. And sorry to say my co-host is sleeping at the moment, so he won't be joining us. So if you don't know, Kaijudo was originally called Duel Masters, and then they switched their name. This here is the quick guide. Alright, so looking at this, it looks like this is a 2-color or 2-civilization in here. Let's take a look. So, Cloud Knight, Double Breaker, so basically double strike. This mosquito doesn't have anything but flavor text. Another mosquito. Double Breaker, so basically like Magic's Double Strike. Shield Blast, this happens when your shield breaks. Put targeted enemy creature that is level 4 or less from the battle zone into your opponent's mana zone. Same. Sprout, Shield Blast, put the top card of your deck into your mana zone. So we got some ramp here. Razor Hide, Quill Spike Harvest, whenever this creature attacks, you may put the top card of your deck into your mana zone. More ramp. And we got a light guy, Keeper of Clouds, block, and skirmish. So you may tap this creature to change an enemy's attack to this creature. Skirmish, this creature can attack only creatures. Interesting. And what? Carrot? There's a fighting carrot? Powerful attack. While attacking, this creature gets plus 2,000 power. Unsliceable. If this creature would be banished, put into your mana zone instead. Got a few of him. Stalker Sphere, just flavor text. 200, cheap guy. Rumbling Pterosaur. Anyways, just some flavor. Wasp, powerful attack, it's plus 4,000 when attacking, and Double Breaker. We've seen Double Breaker several times in here. Ambush Scorpion, ew, squish it! Nice bug. Several of him in here. We got a light card. It's a drone. It's just got some flavor text. 4,000. Another drone. Fear Fang, flavor text. Fear Fang. Thunder Cruiser, blocker, and skirmish. Alright, Sun Shock, Shield Blast, tap targeted enemy creature. Interesting. And that's it. That is the box opening of Kaijudo Green, which is a dual deck, or a dual color, dual mana, you know what I mean. Bye!